thank you media for being here and pass my condolences and my government's condolences to the victims and the injured. It was quite unfortunate for those who lost their lives. I know families are crying. Some are parents, some are kids, I've seen them injured. So we stand with you during this hard time.
And what the county is going to do?
There are 8 deaths. 8 walifariki. Some are on the scene, and about 2 or 3 at the hospital. There are 8 admitted at the moment, 5 of them in ICU. We are planning to transfer about 2 of them who have head injuries to specialized neurosurgery. 3 of them are being handled. They have several body injuries, fractures, and those ones can be handled at the Nyamira Referral Hospital. As our government, we stand with the families who have lost their loved ones and whose members are admitted at the hospital. I'll form a small committee which will be liaising with the affected families so that we see how we can work together. In short, we stand with them 100%. So we'll be consulting as time moves on. I'd like this time also to appeal to drivers during this festive season, when most people are traveling, to be conscious about their lives. And if they are not conscious about their lives, let them be conscious about the passengers they are carrying, so that we don't shed tears unnecessarily. In this case, I think it's a lorry which was on the wrong side and it caused this accident. We appeal to the national government to reconsider lorries traveling at night. I know it's costly for transporters, but caution must also be taken into account. I know in Kenya now, through accidents, we lose about close to 5,000 lives every year. Those are many people. The government must take into account and take some measures to reduce that number of deaths.
Thank you.
Abantu baminto kwa niaba yangu na serikali yuko bayakora mono asachari abetase angekerenya ari between ikonge na kerenya asitwasi tia abantu 8 na inde 5 yo bara ICU na batoto bari ward toko batakirama ya bari barwarete asa basirire si family toko bae ngore nene yasa nero raba baremu akimna serikali tote mena inwe ngenda ise small committee ko work in families elinde to mayenga kitora akonyene me serikali. I think yenere achari enene mono yabeire Kenya kaki ya December. It's unfortunate yabeta asito. Lakini rende nduko wazinya saa asibadu warwarete toko wish babwene. Ara iyo kana.
Mheshimiwa sasa Kiswahili bwana.
Mheshimiwa gavana ndeke mtu igoro ya tindara bachiru tunga kechi Christmas bubaburi ngo babe maiso kera magana arura magana.
Asaba driver baito. Nimajenga kia Christmas passengers na bange. Na wakora na nebuate faida kora shi trip chinyinge. Lakini mwabe wangarivu. Mwabe na makini enene. Ikiarobo mambo bwati value yechibesa. Kiagara noeni nobody mochi gendia. Murati risk. Abantu muri mogati babwati family. Babuata abaibori babuata abana gakitako yeria mariga y'abantu genda buya na utaratibu nseteri go chiande. This guy is not coming down.
Anakuja in the next 5.